Hey guys, Happy New Year! Today we went to Costco and bought this Japanese A5 Wagyu. Let me show you guys. Look at the marbling on it. It looks incredible. It's $100 per pound, total of $187. Japanese Wagyu A5 New York steak. So we're really excited to try it out. It's actually a really good deal. We've had the American Wagyu before, but I think this one looks even more incredible. We're gonna do a little tutorial on how to cook it at home. Now let's take a closer look at the steak. The steak is about 1 inch in thickness and it costs about $93 per piece. The marbling on it, as you can see, is absolutely beautiful. It's probably one of the best pieces of meat I've ever seen in Costco. Alright guys, Happy New Year! Today is New Year's Eve. Sorry, there's still some 1 month birthday thing for my baby. So we've cooked a lot of different things. I made this one, japchae. One of my favorite dish is Korean glass noodle with vegetables and pork. And then we've also got Chinese small bok choy and then lobsters. We poached the lobster in the sous vide. And then Jason made this is a butter sauce with lemon. Oh, from the back. So we sliced a few lemons and then put it in the sous vide bag. I wanna show you guys where the sous vide. Yeah. So we used this, and then we put it for how long?
1 hour.
1 hour?
60 degrees Celsius.
1 hour, 60 degrees Celsius. And butter or no?
Yeah, butter and lemon.
So we're gonna cook the Wagyu now.
I'm gonna season one side and then put no oil in there.
No oil needed because it's so greasy. Look at the fat. Look at the fat.
So season one side and then put the one with seasoning. Heat the pan up for more than 10-15 minutes.
For how then? 15 minutes?
Yeah, so the entire pan is hot, so like when you put it on, it's gonna sizzle and dry away.
Okay.
Okay, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Wow.
I'm gonna season the other side and then we're just gonna flip it once and then we're done.
So the pan is really, really hot, right? You can also use the cast iron.
Yeah, this looks like a cast iron.
This is almost like a cast iron. How long do you cook it for? One side?
2 minutes each side.
2 minutes each side?
That might be too long already.
This Wagyu we got from Costco is actually fairly thick. Like most of the Costco Wagyu is really thin. This one is really thick. It's less than 1 pound, right? 1 pound is about $100, so those one piece is about $90 a piece. So 0.9 pounds.
Whoa. I think maybe not even need 2 minutes. Maybe just 1 minute and like 15 seconds. Seems like it should be ready already.
Can you tell from like let's see on the side? Can you tell?
You can follow this here on the side. So
You're gonna seal the side of this
No.
too, or no?
two things.
So Jason also always have a timer here.
It is.
And how do you know how long it takes? From experience.
This is 1-inch steak, so probably only 4 minutes.
1-inch steak, 4 minutes, both sides, right?
Both sides together, yeah,
Together. If it's a thicker steak, then we need longer. So general rule of thumb is 1 inch, then it's about 4 minutes, both sides.
Let it rest.
Now we need to let it rest. For how long?
Couple minutes.
We need to rest for a couple minutes before we cut it up. Let's see.
No, cut it.
Wow,
more
it's so
thin.
juicy. Sorry, my kid is over there. Hanging out with his grandpa. Wow, look at this. It's a little bit on the rare side, no? Medium rare or rare?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see the juice. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm so excited to try this.
Oh, you can have this. The little piece here. The
Tastes like butter. I feel like I'm eating fat. You want to try one? Try one and tell me. How does it taste?
You don't have a strong beef flavor. Yeah.
Tastes like butter. It's not as impressive as I thought it would be. I feel like it's similar to the American Wagyu, no?
Softer.
Softer, yeah. Alright, we're gonna try this. Soft. Tastes like butter. I should highly recommend you guys. If you guys can find it in your local Costco, definitely go and try it out. For special occasions only, because it's quite expensive. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat dinner. Hope you are also having an awesome New Year's Day, and I wish you a very happy New Year to you and your family. A very prosperous 2021. I'll see you guys next year. Bye!